Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, our friends in the all countries, all peoples, all friends. Today in the very important video now watching. This video today in the discussion by in the healthy and wellness planning in the your life. High protein breakfast. High protein breakfast can aid weight loss by promoting satiety and preservation in muscles mass, like with omelets with veggies and chia seed puddings after satisfying start. Prioritizing protein helps control appetite and boost metabolism. Contributing to effective weight management. Fiber-rich breakfast. Fiber-rich breakfast support weight loss by promoting fullness and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Option for whole grain cereals, oatmeal fruits, and chia seed is smoothly balls, including fiber aids, digestion and curbs overeating throughout the day, making it valuable companion for those seeking effective weight management. Low calorie breakfast. Low calorie breakfast options provide a nutrition start for those aiming to manage weight. Yogurt with fresh berries, egg white omelette with vegetables, or whole grain toast with avocado are tasty choices. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins helps to keep the calorie count in check while delivering essential nutrition. Smoothies made with low-fat milk, spinach, and berries offer refreshing and low-calorie option. The breakfast prioritize nutrition density, supporting weight loss goals by providing a satisfying meal without excess calories. Usual to balance low-calorie choices with overall nutrition needs and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized guidance.